Hello, I'm Rufino Labra with Labra Design Build, and I want to show you this project we recently completed. This was a complete interior renovation of a townhouse-style condo. We took it mostly back to the studs, removing walls, widening and rotating stairways, relocating and adding bathrooms, and finishing it with custom craftsmanship throughout. On the main level, we expanded the kitchen into the former dining area and opened up the walls to the stairway for a more spacious feel. The kitchen now features custom cabinetry, 2 islands, and a warm wood ceiling that ties the space together. Also on the main level is the primary suite, which includes a walk-in closet with custom cabinetry and integrated lighting. In the bath, the client requested no grout, so we used full porcelain slabs across the shower and floors. Extra wall space became built-in storage, and the bedroom features a textured plaster wall accenting a cozy bed nook. Upstairs, we expanded the loft into a spacious home office and entertainment area, added a new guest bath, and renovated the existing one to match. The wood ceiling detail continues up the stairway and blends seamlessly into the upper flooring. In the lower level, we expanded the wet bar into a full kitchen, relocated the bath, room for a home gym, and added a cedar sauna, steam shower, and jetted soaking tub for a spa-like retreat. A new fireplace and TV wall featured book-matched porcelain slabs for a cohesive finish. Every detail was designed to create a home that feels modern, functional, and timeless. I'm proud of what our team accomplished here, and I hope you enjoy the tour.